This final set of reviews comes from students who now feel one step ahead as they step into the world of physiotherapy. Many of them began this course unsure of how to create effective home exercise programs, wondering how to turn classroom knowledge into practical guidance for real patients. But as you read their reflections, you'll see how something powerful took place. They developed a system, they improved their clinical reasoning, and they discovered the confidence to create individualized programs with clarity and purpose. These reviews are more than testimonials. They're a snapshot of students stepping boldly into their physiotherapy careers, ready to help, ready to lead, and ready to serve. Here are their inspiring words.